Good morning, students. Today we are going to see that in class 7 construction of angle bisector of an angle. So we are going to construct the angle bisector. So what is angle bisector? If a line or line segment divides an angle into two equal angles, divide into two equal angles, the line which line is divides the angle into two equal angle, the line is called angle bisector of the given angle. So we are going to construct the angle bisector. So first listen, construct the following angle using the protractor and draw a bisector to each of the angle using ruler and compass. Okay, so first, what is the first step? Draw a line and measure the given angle. So what angle is given for you? Yes, they given the question, they given 60 degree. So what is the first step? Draw an angle, draw a line and measure the given angle. So I will draw a line 7 centimeter. I will draw a line for 7 centimeters. So how you draw the line? From 0 1 point, 7 1 point, join this. So this is one line segment. We have to draw a line segment. I will draw the line segment 7 centimeter. Next, measure the angle. See, when we measure the angle, your center point, protractor. So your protractor center point, this center point should be touch in this line starting point, the line segment starting point. And see, the protractor should be in straight, the protractor line is lying on the your line segment. Okay, it should be straight. And then you measure 60 degree. Last year 6th standard you studied how to draw the angles. Okay, so measure 60 degree. So now I join this. Now I measure 60 degrees. So first step we finish. Draw a line and measure 60 degree. Okay. So for this I give the name. This is A, B, C. A, B, C. Next, second step, with B as a center, any radius, B as a center, any radius, draw an arc to cut BA and BC. BA, this is BA, this is BC. We have to take any radius, not only half or more than half, anything. So your wish, you have to take any radius, draw one arc. Draw one arc. You should cut the arc should cut the BA and BC. BA and BC. Next step, with the same radius, no need to change this radius. The same radius you have to. This points, we cut is the BA, it is denoted as E. Where BC, it is denoted as letter F. Okay. The arc, this arc, B as a center, we draw one arc. The arc is cut BA and BC. Where it's cut in BA, it is E. Where it cut the BC, it is F. Now, the same radius, C as a center, you draw one arc. C as a center, you draw one arc. Okay. Same radius, E as a center, we draw one arc, and F as a center, you cut the arc. F as a center, you cut the arc. Now we get the point, no? This point denoted as G. This point denoted as G. Now join the line B and G. Now join B and G. So this line, when A line divides the angle into two angles. This line only is called angle bisector. This line is called angle bisector. Now you measure this angle. The 60 degree divides exactly 30 degree. Next you keep here and check. It is also 30 degree. See how I measure? Keep like this and measure. This also 30 degree. Keep here and if you measure, this is also 30 degree. So it divides the angle totally 60 degree. It divides. This is 30. This is 30. It divides equally. Next we will see the next sum. Next second question 100 degree. Next second question 100 degree. So for 100 degree, so I told what is the first step? Yes, you have to draw the line. So I draw the line for 7 centimeter. For 7 centimeter I draw the line. Next measure the angle. Next measure the angle 100 degree. I told always you have to see. Keep the protractor straight and then you have to see down. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Where is 100? Yes, we have to put the point and now you join that. If you are taking wrong measure, your protractor, your angle bisector will come wrong. Angle bisector always divide the angle equally. Angle bisector, how the perpendicular bisector divides the line equally, the same angle bisector divide the angle equally. Now this is 100 degree. Now this is 100 degree. Now what I told? Yes, take any radius. Take any radius. This you denoted as letter A, B, C. Next, take any radius. You have to draw the arc. The arc should cut the BA and BC. Arc should cut BA and BC. Next the same radius. This is E. This is F. Okay. Next use E as a center. You draw one arc. E as a center. You draw the arc. Next, so E as a center, we draw the arc. Next, F as a center, you cut the arc. F as a center, you cut the arc. E as a center, we draw the arc. F as a center, we cut the arc. This point will be G. This point will be G. Now, join BG. So this is B, this is G. The point we have to keep unjointed. So now BG is the angle bisector. Now you measure 100 half is what? 100 you divide by 2. That is what? Yes, 50. Now you measure. See, it comes exactly 50. This comes exactly 50. If you keep this like in the straight, see, 50. So our angle bisector divides the angle equally 50-50. So BG is the required angle bisector. Thank you students. After watching, you have to subscribe and click the bell button. Thank you.